Blossoms 3 Workbook Unit 2 The Recipe Book Worksheet 2.5 2.6 Page number 27 28. Reading Comprehension. Read the following passage. Once there lived a man named Raju. He owned a small hotel. The food was very tasty in his hotel. Everybody who visited his hotel liked the food. Raju used to supply food on bulk orders. One day he got an order to cook for a big dinner party, but unfortunately fell ill. Raju was quite worried. He said to himself, "I'm not feeling well. I'm not able to get out of the bed. How can I cook for many people?" Choose the right answer. Who was the owner of the hotel? C. Raju. Second one, Raju used to dash food on bulk orders. Supply. Third one, Raju got dash for a dinner party. B. A big order. Fourth one, what happened to Raju on the day of big party? A. He fell ill. Fifth one, who liked food in Raju's hotel? B. Everybody. Write as many words as possible using the letters of the given word. One is done for you. Word is unfortunately. Example 1. Fat, rat, fly. For, ant, net, eat. Run, bet, nut, but. Fill in the boxes with the names of the things we use in the kitchen. One is done for you. Stove. Boxes. Bowl. Cup. Fork. Mixer.